Hey babes, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm back with another video. It's been a while. I haven't really been doing makeup, but today I'm back with a couple of things, you know what I'm saying? So my friend knows I'm getting into the whole makeup thing, so she bought me a mirror. One of those, it's a tri-fold lighted mirror. So basically, I'm about to do my makeup. I'm gonna review this mirror, let y'all know what's good, however you pronounce it. The JERDON tri-fold lighted mirror. So yeah, let's open it and see what's up. Unboxing and everything. And also super excited about this. I haven't opened it yet, but I had it for like a week or so now. However, I wanted to open this with y'all on camera. This is not even really a review because we already know it's lit. But I ordered me a makeup palette from the CRAYON case, and I'm so excited to use it. Play around with these popping colors, okay? I haven't opened this yet either because I wanted to do it with you guys so y'all can see my first reaction of when I opened it, all that. So we about to do makeup, review a mirror, and get lit. Turn up. All right, so let's first start by opening this mirror up and see what it do, baby. I'm excited. Thank you to my friend. She's so lit for this. She is supporting my dreams, okay? She was like, girl, I seen this mirror and I know you get into your makeup stuff. I think it'll be perfect. So shout out to Jay, baby. I love you, girl, for this. Like, yes, turn up. Get your friends that support you, okay? I'm so excited. Okay. Little plug. Ooh. Okay, so this is what's up already. I see it got a little plug down here. Can y'all see that? Got a little plug down here, so if you need to like plug some flat irons in it while you use this. The middle moves around. You got your side ones. Oh, okay, okay. I ain't even plugged it up yet, but I'm already so in love with it, y'all. For real. Oh, I can see so great. Oh, we about to have a good time. Turn up. Oh, I was about to say, just off top, I feel like the light is not bright enough, but I didn't see this down here. It gets lighter. Okay. Have your different shades. Okay, we lit. So I was about to say, oh, wait a minute. That light is dim, baby. Oh, I'm feeling professional. Let's get into the unboxing of this CRAYON case. Oh, so excited about this. I've been waiting. Ooh. I'm just happy about the colors in this palette because I've been seeing it all over Instagram. So we are definitely not doing like a review. We just about to do some makeup, okay? Not sure what look I'm about to go for and all that. We just gonna play around. I'm not gonna do too much because I'm gonna do my hair. And I already feel like my hair gonna be doing too much, you know what I mean? So, I'm not gonna go all in with the colors right now, but we will, bitch. We will. It's like Christmas. First of all, I'm gonna save this bubble wrap because I love bubble wrap. Yes. Oh, it's so big. It's so big. Ooh, 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 ooh. We just got a letter. I'm so excited to see it in person, like with my own eyes. Come on, open. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is so pretty, and I love that it got that big old mirror at the top. Look at these colors, y'all. It looks much prettier in person. Okay, I'm excited. Let's just see what we can do. Let's just see what we can do, what we come up with. Okay. The good thing is, the way my hair is about to be, I don't need to do my eyebrows. So let's just get started, guys. But before we do that, I know it's kind of hard for people to ask you like to like the video and comment before the video even gets started. So I'm gonna just say this. Immediately after, hit the thumbs up for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments on how you feel about this finished look once we get it popping, okay? And make sure that notification bell is on if you want to see more of me. And if you don't, then don't. But you know I fucking appreciate it. Hey! And even if you don't do it immediately after, I mean, you can do it in the middle too, okay? So if at any point you want to say something or just be like, oh, I like that, thumbs me up, leave me a comment, okay? That's what I'm saying. All right, so let's just do this. Let's do this. Let's start with some face primer. This mirror has me right together. I'm gonna start with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I can't find my other one, so this is what we'll have to do. I usually use Toffee for my eyes, but I can't find it, so here we are with the Fawn. Get lit. My little bitty beauty blender. Oh, the only thing about that is maybe I should move it to the front so you guys can see what I'm doing, you know? Doing. Honestly, guys, I don't even know like what color to start off with. Like, I just don't even know. I was looking for my tape to put on my eyes so that it can look popping, but can't find it, so we just gotta, you know, vibe out. I got the whole tape method from Aaliyah J, and I love it. Now I can't do it without the tape because it just makes it look so much more sharp, you know? I really be like, how do people figure out what colors to do? But you just gotta do you. You just gotta go with what feels right. You know what I mean? And this is just so many colors that I'm going in with all of them, really. Honestly, I've been waiting so long to just play with this that I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just throwing some colors on y'all. But you know, it all comes together at the end. Okay. And that's all that matters. This mirror is coming in handy. This one is doing a job, but you know how you feel like you gotta get close up on to see what you're doing. Got my Fenty on deck in the shade 400. So let's see what's up. I love Fenty. It's the bomb. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I decided to change the lip from the purple to more of a nudie color because, you know, I feel like the colors and the hair and purple lipstick was just doing too much, but I wanted to switch my hair up a little bit, and I'm so in love with this hair. So I switched my lip to like a more nudie color, and I threw some lip gloss on top, okay? So this is my finished look. Let me go ahead and give y'all that slow motion, okay? Okay, so I am done. I love the colors on the crayon case. Honestly, I did think that the yellow one and the red one would pop up a little bit more on my skin, but it didn't. No matter how much I like really tried it, it didn't really show up. I don't know if it's because, you know, maybe because I got whack brushes. I don't know, but it didn't show up how I wanted it to show up. But I'm still happy with my look, the finished product. And I hope you guys like it because I'm like loving this right now. My name is Tay. This is Tay. If you don't have a different name for all your wigs, you're not a wig wearer, okay? So today I'm Tay. Hey Tay, what's good? Oh, and this light here, love it. Sometimes you do need like a little mirror to get closer up in it, but it does serve its purpose. Hands-free, got the light. I can see real good. I did, like I said, I did use another mirror at some point to just get closer, because you know sometimes you just got to get close up in there, see what you're doing, see what's up, you know what I'm saying? So, but I love this mirror. Thank you, Jay, for this mirror, girl. I am super in love. I can't wait to like use some curlers with it to plug in here to see what's up with this plug, you know what I'm saying? So if you do want to try this mirror, I don't really know where she got it from, but I'm pretty sure if you Google it and all that stuff, it'll come up. But the JERDON trifold lighted mirror, okay? It has 4 light settings, 3 mirrors. Well, try. You can change the lighting. It has a plug on it, so if you needed to sit down and curl yourself up, you can get lit. I think it's a brilliant idea. I think this is the classic style. I don't think you can go wrong with this, ladies, if you do want to try it. This is what it looks like, okay? I'm gonna go get out of here. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, leave me some comments about how you guys feel about this look, about this hair, okay? Like, let me know what's up, ladies and fellas. I don't know if there's some fellas watching, but hey fellas, if you watching, let me know, okay? Go ahead and follow my social medias, which are right here at the bottom of the screen, and show me some love, okay? I will greatly appreciate it. And until next time, thank you guys for watching. Deuces, babes. Bye.
It's the night of your life, girl, put on your prettiest dress. It's the night of your life, girl, you gon' forget your stress. How could it treat you that way? You the kind of girl a nigga dream about, yeah. You ain't even got flows that could look at you all day.